Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. We can only use Netflix codes when accessing Netflix from a web browser. You need a laptop or a computer to use Netflix codes. In the search engine, let's write netflix.com/browse/genre/code. In the description of the video I will give you the link to a website where we can find the codes. There are a lot of them. This will allow us to enter any genre directly, even some that are hidden. Here we can also find some genres that are secret. At the top we can click on Extended List here. And here you will find many more codes. In my case, I will choose the code Education for Kids. It's 10,659. I'm going to type it in the browser and press OK to do the search. I'll automatically be redirected to this genre. It's that easy and fast. I'll choose another code now. Animal Tales is 5507. I'm going to type it into the browser. I've already entered this section. If we want to see the videos as thumbnails, we click on this button. Here there are many videos to choose from. If we want to return to the previous view, we click on this button. Finally, I want to show you that on this website, all the links are added. So, if you have this website open, just click on any of these and it will take you directly. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.